Hi guys, Mike Melvin here. Just a quick introduction to our new Textpert system. So thanks for coming to this page. Like I say, this has been a brainchild of mine for over a year now. And it came about, I'd used SMS marketing before, and it wasn't right. Yeah, just the funnel system wasn't right that I could use. I tried lots of SMS marketing companies, and they're all good, sending out text and getting in front of people where they're, where they're looking, which is on the phone constantly. You don't see people, like that. On it, then it's so important then as a marketer. On it, then, so, email marketing is good, but me personally, I think it's old hat now. And myself, you can see on there, I've got 870 unread emails on that account, right? And I've got zero unread text messages at the bottom of it. And that's basically, people, typically read, like 95% of people read a text message within the hour of receiving it. So we designed Textpert and say we're just launching it now. We've been testing it and been working out the back end over the past few weeks. We were going to launch it last week, but we made some last minute changes to the user interface on it then, because there was, once you go in through this stuff, it seems easy to do, but for a new person, to come at it the first day, it can be a bit mind-boggling to set up. So we've just made some simple steps so anyone can go in and use it on it. There's done for you funnels in there already, which is part of the upgrades and that we did. So you can literally go in, see them, what type of funnel you want to use, and just go in and change your message. You get all the shortcodes, and then they're all included with it. And how it works then, so this is why we're unique compared to other SMS systems that are out there, is we track, again, this isn't unique, but we track if people click it or don't click it, if it's received or unreceived. And then based on that action, it then can send them down a different funnel. Okay, so example, if you send someone a video to watch, and they don't watch it, you don't want to send them video 2 until they've clicked on video 1. Okay, that's what you do. Or you link, you don't want to be sending the same link out over and over again. Okay. Whereas if they have clicked it, and then done 2 things, it's on your site if that's what you're going to send to a mobile, that's my landing page. Or just watch the video and not do anything about it. Okay. Again, our system then will allow the funnel system to create the next action from that. Okay. So let's just say you send someone an intro video of what they'll do. Watched it, they're not registered, or on it then. What do you do then? They watched the video, okay, but they're not registered. So what was there something that was wrong with the first video? So you can do your testing on it to see that if you need to tweak something and your analysis, the results, which again is all on the back office. That's all included in there. And we'll be doing training series on that, so you get to know, how to read the data. Then that is in the back office. Then if they watch video 2 and they're still doing nothing, then what do you send them? How long do you go on for? With them. What if they never watch a video? They never click on any links. Does your text need to be changed? And they're just not interested, or thinking it's spam, on it then. But that they'll be created into a separate list in your back office. What if the number's wrong? Right? Do you still want to be sending out text messages? No, of course you don't. You're just going to be wasting your money and time on it then. So we can get rid of all those wrong numbers that are in there. And then from that, if you're buying leads and leads are coming from a certain source and the constantly wrong or hiding the wrong numbers, again, they'll give you the data so you can go back to your source and say, these are all wrong, are you going to replace them? Or you decide, are you going to then use another source? We've got tried and tested sources in there that we know that are getting great numbers. So feel free to use our lead system if you want to use it. These are very generic and there's some certain ones for certain businesses. That's all included. The actual interface and the management system on it is so simple. People that have shown this so far have been pretty excited at how it looks on it then. And again, I know people, I've tried SMS campaign, but just sending out multiple text messages. It works, but then there's no follow-up system in place to do it. And that's where ours is unique. So proud to say, like I say, very shortly, it'll be announced, it'll be coming out soon. So if you want to get be on the first on the list, if you want to the initial users on it then, and also then get some of the early bird policies on that we're going to include for the first users of the system on it then. Pop your details, will be down below, or will be at the side, or wherever you're watching this. And then you'll get a notification of the launch when it happens. We've also started an affiliate program as well for it. So I know people, and again, this has come from the people I've been speaking to who wanted to have a look at this. Is obviously they wanted to share out them with their teams. So if that's what you want to do, then again, a way then of earning an extra income on the side. It's not a massive amount on it then because the system is so cheap. All right. So we're not the type of company that are going to massively inflate the price just to then give away more in commission. That's it. So you keep it simple for anyone and everyone to use. Whether you're a traditional bricks and mortar business or you're working online. Like I say, it's been designed to cross all spectrum. But yeah, you can earn an affiliate commission on it, which then you can use to buy credits in the system to get your SMS marketing messages out. So effectively, you could, by sharing this with a few people, give yourself a free marketing budget. So loads of big things to come. There's loads of add-ons then that we're working on that probably won't be out on launch day, but will be put in the back office as soon as we've been tested and put together. We've got a great team of software developers working on this. Guys that have known for years and have put some amazing systems together. They're doing that. We've also then, again, part of why it's slightly delayed is we've designed our own SMS gateway system. The ones that we were using before were good, okay, but had the limitations to what our system could do. So we were almost then, only giving you half of what we can do because of the SMS system. So we've come up with our own system on there, and the credits they're equal to the cheapest ones that I've seen out there on it then, and a lot cheaper than a lot of the others that I've seen on it then. So all being integrated, all being in one system, so you can use simple then for the users. That's where I come at it from. If I was looking at it stage one, could I put that funnel together? And it is a simple system. So say put your details down below or at the side, wherever this is, and we'll see you when we launch it. Take care now, bye.